Okay, this is Ratchet. Ratchet passed away earlier this year, and it was a devastating event to his family because Ratchet hadn't really been sick. Kenn loves Ratchet. I decided to do something special for Kenn's Christmas present this year and honor Ratchet. And so at this point, here is the progression of my project. First of all, I took Ratchet's picture and I blew it up. And as you can see, the tips of his ears are not in the picture. And by this picture, you can probably also see the pencil tracings that I did, in which I came up with a line drawing. After the line drawing, I needed to finish up his ears and do a little bit of detailing to make things look nicely. So the next progression is the ears finished up, the chain collar removed, and just some softening of the lines. Here's the result. I wanted to make this a little bit more aesthetic for him to be able to hang on a wall. So I made an oval to frame Ratchet. You can also notice I have numbered the pieces, numbered each section, and I assign a color, a type of color, whether it be dark, light, medium, or some variance thereof, to each piece. And the final drawing is like this. This is how the finished product will look. After that, I blew up the pictures, making them manageable, and here is the final drawing. From that, I'm going to work an Intarsia. I have already cut most all of the pieces, and here's what it looks like now. These are all the different pieces that I have currently cut out. In the next section, you will see those pieces put together and what they're going to look like, or close to what they're going to look like, since I'm not quite finished.